Welcome to the Secret Garden of Survival, and this is about one of 40 fruit trees that I have here on my half-acre camouflage food forest. I grow every fruit tree that grows in the region, and this is a peach tree, and this thing is loaded with fruit. We have had an early spring, and we luckily avoided any bad freezes or frosts. So these got pollinated early, and we have a lot of fruit on this tree, so much so that this major trunk branch is bending over. So we have supported this whole tree with some ratchet straps, and this is about to break off. So as you can see, hopefully, there are a lot of peaches, not ripe yet, so they're still all pretty much green, but there's a lot of peaches on this tree, and I want to save the tree and save the fruit so that we can harvest it. And what we did was we basically took two 2x4s that are 8 feet long and created this little cross brace here. So we crossed these two right there at the branch, pushed the branch up, supported the branch, and then screwed the two together, and then we've got a brace going across there too. So that'll keep this thing supported so we can harvest the fruit. It won't break, and hopefully it'll be even stronger next year, and we'll get lots of fruit off it this year.